Alright guys, so we've learned how to cut things out with the square or the circle. We have learned to cut things out with the lasso, and we have learned to do the magic wand. Now, say I would like to cut something out artistically. In other words, make it look like it's dissolving, or maybe cut like a really cool pattern out of it, or something along that lines. There is another tool that lives all the way down here at the bottom. It is called the Quick Mask. If you hover over it, it will tell you that. So the first thing you want to do is click on that, and you will see that it fills in with a circle of white. The next thing you're going to want to do is come up here and choose your brush. Make sure that your color is set to black. And then you're going to come up here and choose your brush. Now you can pick any brush that you would like, or remember from our first project, you can go to Brusheezy and download a particular brush. Now I want to make it look like my hood is kind of dissolving. So I picked this brush that has all these little funky little knobs on it, and hopefully it will make it look like it's dissolving. So first thing I'm going to do is start painting, and you notice that it's going to start painting in red. Now you are picking the area that you would like to see cut out. So everything that's going to be the darkest red is cut out, and that stuff that's the lightest red will still be cut out, but kind of a lighter version. Alright, I kind of like that. You will then click the Quick Mask tool down here again, and you will see that it turns all of it into a selection. Now, just like the magic wand, we are going to need to select basically the opposite. So select inverse, edit copy, then come back over here, edit paste, and there you go. You see that I have my hood not fully cut out, but artistically cut out. You can see how the edges are all nice and dissolved. I can still kind of tell it's a hood, but it's got kind of this transparent effect where it looks like it's dissolving. Now I could go back in there and play around with it a little bit more to add to some of the effects in here, and the same thing, you would just go to select inverse, click on the mask again. I could grab the brush tool and I could fill in a little bit more of this paint if I wanted it to be a little darker. But that is the basics of how to use the Quick Mask cutout.